This video will show you the way to start meditating. Are you feeling stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed? Or are you interested in how your consciousness influences your daily life? Do you find it hard to quiet your mind and relax? If so, then meditation may be the solution you've been looking for. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the chaos of everyday life. We're bombarded by constant distractions, and it can be difficult to find a moment of peace. That's where meditation comes in. By taking just a few minutes each day to focus on your breath and quiet your mind, you can reduce stress, improve your mood, and increase your overall well-being. But if you're new to meditation, getting started can be weird or intimidating. You may not know where to begin, or you may be skeptical about the benefits. That's why in this video, we're going to give you some basic tips on how to start practicing meditation without any gimmicks or commercialism. First, find a quiet and comfortable place to sit. Turn off notifications. You can sit on a cushion or chair as long as your back is straight and erect, this to make sure you don't fall asleep. Next, focus on your breath. Watch what you feel when breathing in and out. Some people count till 10 breaths and then start again. Just pay attention to the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. Don't worry if your mind wanders. It's natural for thoughts to come and go. When you notice your mind has wandered, simply bring your attention back to your breath. Finally, be patient and consistent. Meditation is a practice, and it takes time to see results. Aim to start with meditating for just 10 minutes each day. And if you lose concentration or miss one day, just start again. So, there you have it. These are the basics to get started with practicing meditation and reaping the benefits for your mind and body. However, if you find your motivation waning or want to deepen your knowledge, there are other resources available. You can search for a good book, join a local meditation group, or use an app to help you stay motivated and gain insights into your mind. Meditation is an ancient practice that is becoming increasingly popular in Western cultures. If you want to learn more about what to focus on and the different goals and ways meditation is practiced, I recommend watching this other short video. Thank you for your attention.